Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy, simple chignon in less than 2 minutes. To start, I'm going to section out a little bit of hair at the front to frame the face on both sides. Then I'm going to add some volume powder to the roots around the crown area. I'll pop all the products I use in the description below. Now I've decided to add a little bit of teasing to the crown for a bit of volume. But if you don't like backcombing, you can skip this step. Once you've got everything backcombed, smooth it over with the very tip of your comb, and then I'm going to secure the hair into a low ponytail. I apply some wax spray all over the top of the head to help with flyaways, and then I use my fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair to create some more volume and texture. Next, split the ponytail in half and start loosely wrapping the sections around one another to create a twist. Do this all the way to the bottom of the hair. Then secure it with a clear elastic band. I'm going to pull up a strand on top of that ponytail of the elastic band, and I'm going to pass the end of the twist to my fingers and pull it through that elastic band. Taking hold of that twisted loop, I'm gently going to turn this over towards the nape of the neck, hold in place, and then just pin all the way around the outside of that chignon with as many bobby pins as needed. Then finally curl the hair at the front away from the face. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.